Psycho used up all my ammo.
What the hell is she doing?
You bleed. Here, stay here. Keep the pressure on.
Okay.
What the hell are you doing?
He's got this.
We can't stay here. I'm gonna help you up, okay?
Gotcha.
I got it.
Shit in a sandbox.
There.
Al.
Hey, Al! Al, wait! Hey! Don't do this to them!
I didn't. You did.
You want me to pay for whatever it is you think I'm doing? Then make me pay.
You won't end up like them. You have so much more potential.
You're stuck. I was too.
I know.
Joan!
Don't move. Next one, lay you down.
Oh, that's not good.
Step 2, now! Off the asphalt!
The boxes.
Oh, my yeast cake was in there.